How to transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open Play Store. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and then click on Help and Feedback at the bottom. Click on Contact Us at the very bottom. So on this section now, tell us what we can help you with. Type in Transfer Google Play Store balance to another account, and then click on Next. Select Transfer Account Content. So you can select which specific area you need support for, and then click on Next Step. So if you feel any of these articles answer your questions, you can read through this. If not, click on Next Step at the bottom. So over here, you'll be able to contact Google Play support directly. Select your preferred language and click on this chat icon. So over here, type in a short summary of your issue. Explain the problem that you're facing and what you have tried. However, do not include any private or confidential information such as credit card numbers. Select your category. So you can select Google Play Purchase and Payments. Select your platform, and then select what you'd like to do. And then click on Next Step at the bottom. So once you type in everything, this will be sent to Google Play support, and they will contact you on how to fix your problem. So this is how to transfer Google Play support balance to another account. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.